Okay, Stefan Singh here, and I'll be briefly going through this PowerPoint that summarizes my report. So to begin, the purpose of my project was to design an information system in order to replace the present and outdated system that is used by D&D Supermarket. Problems that the supermarket are currently having: they have problems keeping track of stock. Their caching system is very inefficient. They have difficulties keeping track of sales. Company only keeps all records in hard copy, paper copies. And the company's existing system is completely outdated. It is an analog system they are using right now. Okay, our solution is to implement an information system, and these are the three main systems that we have to choose from. We have strategic planning, management control, and operational control. Here are some of the technologies that we can use to implement our solution. We have the electronic point of sale systems, barcode and barcode scanners, electronic data interchange, e-commerce, and SEC, which is self-edge computers. Here's a look at what our checkout counters will look at. These will be placed at each of the cashiers. It consists of a touchscreen monitor, a keyboard, a mouse, or barcode scanner, a printer for our receipts, a customer display so the customer will be able to see their total and so on, a cash drawer, a credit card reader, and a fingerprint scanner, which will be used to log in each cashier every time they come out to work or attempt to log into the machine. Okay, on top here we have our first drafted prototypes. On the left, this is the screenshot of what the cashier will be seeing while scanning items and so on. On the left, we have what the stock managers will be seeing when they are going through stock and ordering new stock and so on. And below, we have the modified version of those two on top, the improvements after we have taken suggestions and done testing with the employees. Some of the observations we made during tests were that users were very comfortable with this new system. They had no problems navigating through the system. They didn't seem to enjoy the change in system. The new technology wasn't a problem for them. They all seem to be IT literate enough to deal with this new technology. Next, we have some of the benefits that the supermarket can count on if they were to switch to this new system. Of course, they have detailed receipts for the customers, so you can see exactly what they bought and how much they paid for each item. We can use information about the sales to stock shelves according to the customer needs. We can count on fresher goods since the stocks is managed better. More efficient checkout and less errors by staff when they have to type in prices and so on, or type in names. And a few other benefits that can be achieved by implementing this new system. So in conclusion, this solution that was designed seemed to be very viable in solving the problems faced by this enterprise, but only after implementation can we really fix all the bugs and modify it according to suit so that we can maximize the potential of this organization.